Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Department from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss how can we use Linux command in our command prompt. So for that, we have to download a third-party app. This app is called Git. Go and download your Git, and after downloading, see the step of install. Open your setup.exe. Do next, and then next, again next. Here, after from here you choose Notepad, Git default editor, and do next, and again next. Here we have three options: that use Git from Git bash only, use Git from command line, also third-party software, and go for the third option, use Git and optional Unix still from command prompt. Okay, select this one, which allow to use your Linux command in your command prompt, Windows command prompt. All the Linux, I hope not all the command which we use in our Linux system not applicable in command prompt, but most of the command which we need for our command prompt is applicable. So again do next, and then do continuous next, and then install your Git. Do finish. After install your Git, now let's check what difference we have in our commands. So first open the command prompt. Before installing Git, we see that if we create a file, if we create a folder, the command is same mkdir, but in file we have some different command. In a command prompt we have echo, then dot, then less than, and then your file name. Okay, file name .txt. For that we have create a blank file. After install and enable this Linux command system, we can use only touch, and give your file name. After the touch command, you can create multiple files also, like see new one.txt, new two.txt. we have two files name. Enter. Here we can see it create two files at same time. So this is the advantage of that creating files, creating files, or we can also edit our files here only in our command system only, that which very easy to edit our text inside in our file. For that we have command nano for edit our file. So after typing nano, give your file name, and it's open a new window. Here we have a new window in our command prompt only. Okay, so here we type anything like hello, hi, hey, and control plus X, then press Y, then enter. It save the content which we write. For see the content, we have different command. So for that, for in command prompt, so for that we use type and then file name with extension. So here we have in a Linux command system, we have different command, that cat and then new one.txt. it's on the same command, but different of this third-party app, that you can use some different command. For display your files, we have command prompt in command prompt we have command dir, but same we have ls for list of the files. Here we have these files. Dir show us the detail, but ls show us only the file and folders name.
Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to put your queries in our comment box. And check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.